Hello, ladies. I'm only talking to the ladies today because apparently something is going around in the air and I don't want to catch it. The people man syndrome. Ladies, as respectable women of society, it's your responsibility to give men something to respect. Respect is not something that you demand, it's earned. You understand me? So if you go around carrying yourself in a certain manner, understand that you will always remain at that mediocre level where some men have you. Some of you have some men putting them on pedestals when they should have the underneath cellar. If you come from a country, you know what me attack underneath the so them for there. You don't need to stop it. Because some of these men, they lack charisma, qualities, characteristics, everything that makes them a good man or that should make them a good man, them lack. But yet still don't have them a parade. You understand me? It come like you have a scandal bag of walk around like it's a Louis Vuitton. No. You cannot give something credit for what it is really not. And when did it become such a big thing? You know, making other people unhappy and bragging about it. Gone are the days when a woman take a next woman man and she quiet about it. Nowadays it's like the in thing for walk and brag and boast. It's distasteful, you know, have some class about you. Be conservative about your life and what you do. You understand me? Now when people treat you in a certain way, you no wonder. But if you are having an affair with somebody's man, you know, shame on you and shame on the drunker way I do it with, you know, that's going along with it. But the least I can do, man, be quiet about it. You know, someone, it's like it's a high. You know, it put you on a certain level. You know, if you see a next woman over there, so, you know, feeling sad, crying about, you know, you breaking up her home, her family, you know, taking her, you know, take her husband and all of them something. And listen, I blame the woman them entirely, you know. Some of them man them box them forgetting that some of them face to all them looking at evil because as a wife or as a good woman, you cannot do everything for them a yard and it's still not enough. I used to the cockroach what them go to put themselves with. Make you feel so terrible within yourself. But good up ladies like myself and me I talk to you today. Today a Women's Day. What a perfect day me choose to come talk to you. You see them a go on, so just make them go on. Happy riddance, good, better, best. You understand me? Fix up yourself, work on yourself, and make on a dirty boy see him failure. You understand me? You won't even have time to look back on him. Because every time you look on him, you're just so propelled to go further and move faster away from it. You understand me? When some man this will make them steer. It might hurt momentarily, but go and work on yourself and you'll get over that. Because some man deserve some kind of woman. Me I tell you no straight up. Some man know to handle greatness and some of you women are great. That is why them downgrade from you and them go somewhere else because them can't handle your strength, them can't handle your quality, them can't handle your charisma, them can't handle all of the great things that we have going for you. You understand me? So as some girl them want with them can box but and tell themselves go over this so and give them one credit or send them 100 and keep them quiet. Them don't want woman like you to help them make plans and build a future and make a proper foundation. You understand me? They can't handle women like you. You understand me? So all of them we are run from responsibilities. That's what them go do with some kind of woman. But we don't stress on yourself. But for all of you we are walking and I come talk about me never know say so people man nice and people man this and people man that and God never give you nobody in your hand when you're born. You sound dumb for one. You sound stupid. Give someone a little book who can't even read the first line. Someone who can't even write properly. No penmanship in the have. You understand me? It's all about the hype and sex and being promiscuous and all of them something there. Try to get a man for your own. It feels good. It actually feels good when you have a man that loves you, respects you, and care for you. You understand me? Not a man who you sleep with, will put $100 in your pocket every now and then, and you can't call him a certain time of night. Who wants that? I want him to come lay down sleep with him. If he make case, he have to put him phone for alarm. Every minute I watch the time like say my timekeeper because him can't sleep good because him have him Wi-Fi yard. Who wants to live like that? You don't want respect, you don't want to say have your money and them sleep and wake up anytime and they're in bed as long as him please. You understand me? And them respect you to a certain level. Understand this, you walking around taking people, man, it will happen to you, but then again, someone not care because in another class. Where did you grow up? Ain't someone parents grown up so well, but me don't know what happened to no long. Like gonna fall by the wayside. It's distasteful, I'm telling you. And it hurts me to see women carrying on, you know, in that manner. Because as me say, put some man on some pedestal and then if underneath fall cube. No, stop it. Doesn't look good. For all you strong women, keep on pushing. You understand me? God made women for a reason. He made Adam first. And him choose to make Eve. So what I tell you, a man needs a woman, okay? And if a man want a decent future, he need a strong and sensible woman. No somebody who can boom flick and all of them something and I have no brain pan them head. You understand me? That's all I have to say. Happy Women's Day.